This is Christy again, and let me check and make sure you can hear me. Here it is. That came quickly that time. All right, good. So today we're going to talk about how to make your dreams come true. So the first one is that fear is no excuse. So it's just human to be fear. We all have fear in different things, and it's what we do in spite of our fear that matters. Number two is to make a choice. We make hundreds of choices every day. So choose to get up early. Choose to use your gifts and talents. Go the extra mile. Make the choices that are going to make the difference in what you need to do to achieve your goals. And number three is don't be afraid of hard work. So be willing to do whatever it takes. Put in the hours, put in the time. Don't back down and don't give in. Number four is to persevere, which kind of goes with the others as well. When things go wrong, get back up. Keep going. If you quit, you'll never make it. And number five is to stand out. So tell the truth. Keep your promises. Follow your dreams with integrity and love. So to recap, we talked about fear is no excuse. You have to make a choice. Don't be afraid of hard work. Persevere and stand out. So shoot me a message if you would like some more tips. And when things get tough, if you want to make your dreams come true, remember how when a child learns to walk, they fall down 50 times, but they don't think to themselves, oh, maybe this isn't for me. They keep going. So send me a message if you would like to gain strength, courage, and confidence. See you tomorrow.